you want to know how to remove duplicates in Excel? Well, in this video, I will not only show you how to remove the duplicates, but I will also show you how to highlight them, how to sort them, how to filter them, and then finally, I will show you how to remove the duplicates in Excel columns and rows. And this method of removing duplicates in Excel will work in all Microsoft Excel versions. Here I have a sample data in my worksheet. So the first column, I have the number of employees. Then the second column is the relevant departments. Then the last column is the monthly gross salary. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight the duplicates in this data and how you can sort them and how you can filter them. And lastly, I'll show you how you can remove the duplicates. So first of all, we are going to start with highlighting our duplicates. Now to start that, I'm going to pick one column, this one for employees, then I copy it to a new sheet. Let's go to this sheet, come here, then I paste it, Control V. So here we have our data or our column. So I'm going to show you how to highlight the duplicates in this column. So what you are going to do is first of all select all of them like that. Then make sure you are on the home tab. So click here on the home tab. Then when you click on the home tab, so here as you can see at the home tab, we have several categories. We have clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, and others. So the column or the category that you are interested in is this one, the style category. So here under style category, click here on conditional formatting. Then click here on highlight cells. Scroll down on the right hand side until you reach here on duplicate values. Click there. Then here as you can see, by default, our duplicate values are highlighted. As you can see, the font that is used here and the color in the background. So here we can also maybe choose after this duplicate value dialog box, we can also choose here if we want now maybe unique values. As you can see now, these are the unique values. We can also change here the color that we want. For example, you can choose green. You can customize everything here. But for today, we want the duplicate. So let's go back, click here on duplicate. Then we can also change the color to yellow and the font still to be ITF. Now our data or our duplicates are now highlighted. Now what we are going to do now is to sort them. So let me show you how to sort them. So just click here on the header, which is the employees. Then come here on the Excel ribbon, click here on data tab. Then as you can see, we have few categories under data tab. We have outline, data tools, we have field, sort and filter, connections, and get external data. So the category that we are interested in is sort and filter. So here under sort and filter, click here on sort. Then here the sort dialog box appears. So here we can do some few adjustments here. So we are going now to sort here by employees is the category or the column that we are interested in. Then here the values, click on the drop down menu. Then we are going to sort by font, by cell color. Let's sort by cell color. Then here on order, choose now the color, which is this one. Choose that one. Then here we can also choose whether we want our duplicates to appear on top or bottom. So let me just click on top. Then here click on OK. Now as you can see, now our duplicates or our highlighted duplicates now appears together on the top. So now our duplicate values are now sorted. So what we are now going to do is now filter them, filter the duplicates. Now to filter the duplicates, come back again on sort and filter under the data tab. Then here click on filter. This time click on filter. Then here as you can see, we have now the filter menu here. Let me zoom so that you can see clearly. Let me zoom like that. So here is the drop down menu of the filter tab. So click there. Then this time we're not going to choose sort by color. Scroll down here a little bit, come here on filter by color. Then let's filter by the cell color. Click here on this color. As you can see now, we only have the duplicate values which are filtered now. The others, the other unique values, as you can see, are hidden. Also, kindly note that I have made a video on how to hide formulas in Excel. You can also check that video in the description below. But let's continue with the video. So here, as you can see, we only now have the duplicates filtered. So we can also now sort by, here we can also sort by ascending order. We can click there. As you can see, we have names now together, like Effie. We have them arranged together, the duplicates arranged together, James arranged together, then Tari arranged together. These are the duplicates that we have in that column. So remember the unique values are hidden. Now to unhide or show back the unique columns, just make sure you are on the come here on the data tab, then this time click here on clear. Again, our unique values are now going to show you how to remove now these duplicates. Then go ahead, come here on data and tools. So this is the category that we are interested in on removing now the duplicates. Make sure you are on this category of data and tools. Then click here on remove duplicates. Then our column is selected. Now we just now click on OK. So as you can see now, 3 duplicates values found and removed. Now we have 11 unique values. Then you click on OK. So that's how now you can remove duplicates in a single column. That's how you can remove duplicates in a single column. Now what if now you want to remove duplicates in more than one column? That's where now removing duplicates in rows comes in. So what we are going to do now, removing now duplicates in rows is very different from removing in a single column, because for example here or in the previous data, you saw that for Effie we had a duplicate for Effie. If now we want to remove now duplicates in rows, each and every column should be similar. For example, for this Effie, as you can see, for this column we have Effie here and here. Then for department is the same, but when it comes to the monthly gross salary is different. So that way it is not going to remove, or when we select all the data here to remove in the rows, it is not going to remove because it is not similar. But come here on James, everything now here is similar. As you can see, we have James here for that column, department is the same, then even the gross salary. So this one will be removed. Also for Taria, which was a duplicate in the previous data, for Taria, this one, also everything is here is similar. Now note that now removing duplicates in rows, everything has to be similar. So now what we are going to do to remove now the duplicates in this sheet or in the rows, select all the data like that, then come here again, make sure you're on the data tab, then under data tools, click here on remove duplicates. You can see now all our columns are selected. Then click here on OK. You can see now you have 2 duplicates values found and removed. Then we remain now with the 12 values which are unique. Then click here on OK. So that's how you can highlight, sort and remove duplicates in columns and rows, and this works in all Microsoft Excel versions. That's all I have in this video, and if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my future videos. Thank you for watching, and you are always welcome in my channel.